Alright, so I'm just doing a little nature walk today, hanging out. One of the fitness trails by my house. It's just also a nice nature trail. Like, just come get out, man, and explore. I love being in nature. I don't get to do it much. So the little one's taking a nap. Mama's relaxing. Anthony's getting ready to go to work. So I said I'm gonna shoot out for a little while. And look at what I come upon. What's up, buddy? You're okay. You're alright, guy. Look at this, gopher tortoise. What's up, buddy? That's pretty cool. I'm only into this nature trail like, say, 50 yards, if that. And I see my first piece of nature. Gotta love that. Getting his little eat on. He saw me and now he's like, alright. He's alright. He's just chilling. Alright, we're gonna leave you be so you can eat your lunch, alright? Let's keep rolling. And you know what? I'll be danged. I think I see another one up here a little bit further. These are gopher tortoises. I believe they are an endangered species. But in this area, you see them quite a bit, which is awesome. Beautiful out today. Blue skies. No rain for once. Let's kind of jog up here a little ways. Check out this guy. Same species of tortoise. Two of them. This one's a little bit smaller. Hey buddy, how's your food? Oh, you're a cute little guy. Look at you, you're just a little guy. Hi. Wow, so it's Tortoise Central today. Everyone's out eating. Ooh, it is hot, let me tell you. Bye, buddy. Nature is something I've always been just infatuated with. When I lived in Colorado growing up, I used to do a lot of wildlife photography. Just me, going out in nature early in the mornings, taking my camera. I did that quite often when I got married. That's what I was doing a lot. I'd wake up early, especially when the first snows came. Wake up nice and early. Go for a nice nature walk when the first snows came, man. And you could just see all the fresh tracks, deer, coyotes, skunks, all kinds of stuff. When I moved to Florida, I kind of stopped messing with it as much. Oh, hello, little squirrel. I kind of stopped messing with it as much just because, I don't know, to me, Florida wasn't such an amazing, beautiful landscape as far as interior land. Come on, I was used to the Rocky Mountains in Colorado. So to go from there to this was a little different, to say the least. But I like getting out here just by myself. Good way for me to clear my head, be with nature, appreciate it. I've never just videotaped just a little segment like that of us just roaming around, but it's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys want to see more of like me exploring some different preserves or nature parks. I can bring my real camera out and start doing that. Just listen. Isn't that awesome? Big old palms. We have quite a few nature parks out here that I do go and explore around quite a bit. So, you know, if you want me to throw in nature videos, that could be a segment I can start doing as well on my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Saw a couple of gopher tortoises, which is cool. And that's what I do. When I come out to nature, well, not today because I'm talking to you guys, but I'm normally a slow walker, very quiet, trying to find animals. That's just what I do. That's what I've always done. I love it. Love tracking animals and stuff like that. I've never posted a video from my Samsung, so it'll be interesting to see just how it works. In this little ravine here, I tend to see owls around here. We have some decent sized barred owls that we usually see. Not usually, but I've seen them a few different times. So I'll keep a lookout. Maybe we'll run into an owl. Up here there's some water. Never really seen alligators or nothing at it. But in Florida anything's possible. As far as gators and stuff like that. Got the nice water right there. I love this part of the park right here. But again, this is a nature trail. People come out here, they run. There's different stations around here to do pull-ups and push-ups and this and that. I mainly just come out to enjoy being out in nature, and it's right across the street from my house. So it doesn't feel like I'm having to drive for miles to get here. It's literally maybe one city block away from my house, if you would call it that. Hear the cardinals up ahead of me beeping. It's peaceful. I like it. Of course, I'm always looking down for snakes. Always got to be aware of snakes, especially in Florida. Not for nothing, we got a lot of them. I haven't really run across any poisonous ones. Rattlesnakes. We have like the pygmy rattlesnake, cottonmouth. I mainly run across the black snakes, the racers, or the ringneck, which is just a little tiny snake. Just the water. I'm trying to be a little quiet just in case I hear an owl or something we might catch. I have seen bobcats in here, but in the morning when I'm driving to work on the outer edges of it, I've seen 2 in the last 10 years I've lived here. So there are bobcats out here. I've seen an owl right there before. Sitting right there. Not today. And when Anthony was real little, I heard an owl in here. Me and him went and found the tree it was on, so looked right underneath it, and of course found one of the owl pellets, which we dissected and found the little bones of a mouse. And Anthony at that time was probably, I don't know, 8, 9 years old, and it was fascinating to him. He loved it. He thought that was the coolest thing, man. Another trail that way. We'll head over here. So yeah, this is definitely a test. Like I said, I've never used the Samsung, my phone, to do a video, so I'm going to load it up into Movie Maker and just kind of check it out, see what it looks like. I would prefer to use my camera, but we'll see how this comes out too. Thought I heard something up here, but usually it's either squirrels or lizards that you hear. Alright, well anyway, I'm going to keep roaming around. If I see something cool, I'll definitely film it. But for right now, I'm just going to roam around, enjoy nature, enjoy being out here by myself and just kind of relaxing. Slow my thought process down, slow everything down, just kind of be one with it for a while. It's pretty warm, it's like 90 degrees. I put some off on before I left the house, and I don't really see too many mosquitoes, and it's actually pretty dry for as wet as it's been, so it's awesome. Maybe tomorrow I'll go out to the Jelks Preserve bright and early in the morning. Usually you spot some wild hogs and stuff like that. So again, if you're interested in some of this, maybe I'll start putting this on my Rivera Urban Homestead YouTube page, or even possibly starting a new channel and having both. Give me your ideas and thoughts. This is just a cool view coming through here. The trees making this archway like a canopy. It's like inviting you to come out in nature and hang out. Very cool. Look at that. This is just all swampy. It's all wet in there. No mosquitoes though out right now. See, like in a spot like this, you would think you would be getting murdered by mosquitoes right now, but I'm not seeing any. There's no pigs or anything in this park, because literally you could probably hear the cars if I'm quiet. Listen. You hear the cars and stuff on the side of me. I'm right there by the road. But again, this is only a block away. If we go to Jelks Preserve, you can walk in there a few miles, go to the Myakka River, check all that out. I think we're going to do that. We're going to explore that. We'll do it with my camera. I'm going to upload this one though, and we'll see how it works. In case I don't have my camera with me, I'll feel confident using this to still make somewhat of quality videos. The pictures and the videos on this phone look so amazing. But when I upload them to like Facebook or something, they look like crap. So I don't know if Facebook just can't support the technology of Samsung or what it is, but we'll see how it looks uploading it to our YouTube through the Movie Maker edit system I use. One of the fitness things, like I said, you could jog this in the mornings, do your fitness out in nature. It's really awesome. Look at these impressive pines. Here's some beautiful flowers here I just spotted. Look at how cool those are. Like a little pink in them. Really neat. All around over here. Huh, those are cool. Anyone up for overhead ladder? Right now it's like 1:30, 2 o'clock, over 90 degrees. Those bars are probably hot as hell. No thank you. Got the vultures circling. Like, come on guys. I ain't almost dead yet. I still got water and I can walk home. Vultures found something to eat. I think they got them a possum. And that's it. We are leaving Pine Brook Park, Nature and Fitness Trail.